talk about tranquilly trading bots, my people, or automated trading bots, of which I'll guide you step by step on how to trade with automated bots. So, first and foremost, make sure you have a verified Binance account and you have RunQuilly account where you get your free trading bots. So, what we'll do today is make one trade, another thing we'll make a withdrawal, just a live withdrawal, so that everybody can confirm that everything is working. So always make sure your accounts are verified, both email and KYC. So for you to deposit, in depositing is where many of you go amiss. You need to provide your Binance or any other wallet screenshot in RunQuilly for your withdraw deposits to be approved. So that's one thing I wanted to measure. And I'll do a full video on how to deposit and on how to withdraw, because already people are making profits. So without wasting a lot of time, let's get to it. As I said, you need to fund your RunQuilly account, and as you can see, mine is 41,922, and it has a trade going on, by the way. So I'll just come to my trading bots, click on trading bots. And I wanted also to talk about this. For those who have 40 USDTs, make sure you use Swift Trader. It is running at a 10% profit. So if you have 100, you can make $10 in profits just in 1 hour. Another one is Spark Engine, or else we can try with this. But at the time, I don't think I can record a video for that much time. So just come to my Start Momentum Probot, of which you have a take profit. You can set your take profit, and you can also set your stop loss. So if you are busy, consider using these two features of take profit and stop loss. They'll help you. When you hit the profit, the trade stops. When you hit the loss, the trade also stops. But me, this is my full-time job, so I don't need to use no stop losses. So I'll enter my capital of 5,000 USDTs, and always make sure that your funds are in spot wallet. That's where you can trade from. In funding, it's just for holding. Okay, I'll start my bot. Guys, and I'll show you the live chat so you can see our entry point. It's somewhere here, and we can check the logs. Nothing is cooked. Everything is working live. Remember, what's working for me works for you and works for other traders. So the bot is the same, the trade is different because of the capital margin. So you can see the two trades. I hit a profit of 155, another one 41, and we are waiting. Let's check the chart, live chat. You can see this candlestick is a very tall one, uptrend, by the way, a big loss. That one was a big loss of 93. So the PNL is 104. So this is how you check how your trade is going. So I'll just go and make a withdrawal, a live one. Then we proceed so that people can be satisfied that everything is working. Otherwise, my PNL is 290. So I do measure on withdrawals, because without withdrawals, you are doing nothing. So you come to your Binance, you add funds, you click on deposit crypto. Oh, for those who are doubting that I withdrawn, this one is a P2P sell, so we do sell also. You click on deposit USDT, then TRX, and you copy your address. Remember, my address has been the same, so no cooking here. You come to withdrawal, then you click there, you enter your USDT address, you just paste it. Don't ever, never ever will you come and type your address, because you'll hit it wrong. So I'll enter 202 just for tutorial, guys. I'll do another one and another one and another one, as long as we are breathing. Then review and confirm. Then we wait our withdrawal of 200 in Binance. Meanwhile, we can check our trade. Let me refresh to get the trade, the running trade. Here it is, and we are at Let me check the P&L at 310. So a capital of 5,000 USDTs. So far I'm at 614. That was a big win. So I can decide to stop this bot and withdraw my profits. What is the matter? So let's wait for the withdrawal, guys, as I pause the video. This was one of the fastest withdrawals. You can see withdrawal complete. So it is a deposit on Binance. My balance has changed, and you can see. Let's refresh and check everything. You can see it's still there, so it's not cooked. Then I'll come and show you my withdrawal, where it is. Let's check on transaction history. Where's the transaction history, guys? It's here. Let it load. Let it load. There, approved 202. Opened. You can see the time and date, but it's still completing. So that means we good. So let's go to our trading bot and check what's popping. What's popping, guys? This is a big win. I can tell you for free, this is a big win. 1,210 profits just using 5,000 USDTs. 5,000 USDTs is not such a big amount if you are a trader, by the way. Not such a big amount. It's worth the risk. If you can make $1,000 with 5,000 USDTs, then I don't see any need to hesitate. So you can see my trading here. It is big win, big losses. But the P&L is what determines. The P&L is what determines. So one will lose 108 and quit trading, but we lose and we continue. So make sure you join.